Hello, welcome to this video. Well, today we're going to be having a look at the Nobsound or G Audio NS-20G 200-watt amplifier. Let's take a look what we get in the box. Just get that open there. So first things first, we've got an instruction manual. We have a 12-volt DC power adapter. Looks like we've got a 3.5mm audio cable. There is the amplifier itself. Also seem to have another AV lead there. Okay, here is the amplifier. Around the back we have speaker connections, banana plug compatible, and we've got our power input. Looks like we have one of these endlessly turning volume controls. We've got connections here for auxiliary and for headphones, and that is the volume display. Okay, let's get this thing hooked up and we'll do a sound test. Right, here is the amplifier wired in. I'm using some banana plugs. So let's get this thing switched on. The current volume status is displayed, and it's also flashing to say it needs an audio connection. Right, I'm going to hook this up and we'll see how this thing sounds.